Let's explore character classes, specifically focusing on how to create custom character sets using square brackets. A character class allows you to define a set of characters that you want to match in a string. The basic syntax for defining a character class involves enclosing the desired characters within square brackets. The structure looks like this: an opening square bracket, followed by the characters you want to include in the set, and then a closing square bracket. This pattern matches any single character from the specified set. Here's a simple example. The character class, ABC, will match either a B or C. It will find any of these single characters if they appear in the text you are searching through. This is a very basic but powerful concept. You can also specify ranges of characters within character classes. For example, V matches any lowercase letter from to Z. Similarly, 0 to 9 matches any digit from 0 to 9. This is more efficient than writing out every character individually. Character classes can combine individual characters and ranges. For instance, AZ123 matches any lowercase letter or the digits 1, 2, or 3. This allows for more complex and specific pattern matching. To match any character that is not in a specified set, use a caret, which is the symbol above the number 6 on most keyboards, caret at the beginning of the character class. For example, caret ABC matches any character except a B or C. This is called a negated or complement character class. Here's a practical example in Python using the re module. We import the re module, then define a pattern, O, to find any vowel. When applied to the text, Hello World, the findAll function returns a list of all matching vowels which are O and O. Let's summarize the key points. Square brackets are used to create custom character sets. A dash dash is used to specify ranges, like AZ or 0 to 9. And finally, a caret inside the square brackets negates the set, matching any character not listed, such as caret ABC. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.